Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Hyundai Kona. The 2026 Kona is a compact crossover designed to cater to diverse lifestyles. Its two engine options ensure versatility, while the interior offers modern design and functionality. All-wheel drive is available across all trims, making it a capable companion for various driving conditions. The 2026 Hyundai Kona successfully balances style, performance, and practicality. While it may have lost some of its first-generation sharpness, the improved comfort, tech features, and overall utility make it a strong contender in the compact crossover market. The 2026 Kona excels in technology, offering features that enhance convenience, safety, and entertainment. Infotainment, a widescreen display with smartphone integration for seamless connectivity. Driver assistance, options for adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and more. The Kona's interior is adequately roomy for a vehicle this size, though the rear seat is far from capacious for adults. The interior design is handsomely futuristic but also well laid out, with a wide screen encompassing the instrumentation and infotainment, and a column-mounted shifter. Leather upholstery is available. The cargo bay can swallow 7 carry-on size boxes behind the second row and 20 boxes with the rear seat folded. The Kona's entry-level powertrain is a 147 horsepower 2.0-liter paired with a continuously variable transmission. A turbocharged 190 horsepower 1.6-liter engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission is optional. All-wheel drive is available on all trims. Handling remains sprightly despite the Kona's growth spurt, but the larger second-generation model has lost a little bit of its on-road sharpness. The price of the 2026 Hyundai Kona starts at $25,900 and goes up to $33,450 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.